I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me.
It's been a minute since the last time we talked. Let's catch up on some things that shouldn't involve you judging me for all the things I would say. But never mind, it's not like you'd ever change. They always said you were the talkative type, but that's not the way that I would describe those quiet nights when we had nothing to say. But never mind, it's not like you'd ever change. First you pull me closer, just to push me further. Emotion roller coaster, coaster. Then you take me higher, just to end up lower. Emotion roller coaster, coaster.
Got too overwhelming, so I started running. It stopped being fun and making myself an amazing heaven. I got to learn to deal with the way I feel. If this is reality, don't know what I expected. Just for a moment, I can't put this down. Things are getting crazy, lately I'm in hazy. Oh, and I've been praying someone will come and save me. The birds are flying south, I'm frozen in the doubt.
It's so clear.